In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view pinned messages in Discord quickly and easily on your PC. This is a really useful feature if you want to find important announcements, shared links, reminders, or key messages without scrolling through the entire chat history. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Discord tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your PC and log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're inside Discord, go to the chat or server where the message was pinned. This is important because pinned messages are saved per channel, so you need to be in the exact place where the message was originally pinned. Now, look at the top right area of the chat window. You'll see a row of icons near the video call and other channel options. Find the pin icon, which usually looks like a small push pin. This is the button that opens all pinned messages for that specific chat or server channel. Click on the pin icon and a box will appear showing every pinned message in that conversation. From here, you can scroll through the list and view the important messages that have been saved. This makes it easy to quickly access things like rules, links, updates, or anything the server owner or moderator wanted to highlight. If you don't see any pinned messages, that usually means there aren't any pins in that specific channel yet. In that case, you may want to check a different channel or server where the message was pinned. Remember, Discord only shows pinned messages for the current chat you're viewing. And that's it. You've now learned how to view pinned messages in Discord on PC. It only takes a few clicks, but it can save you a lot of time when you need to find something important fast. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Discord tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.